Hey crafty people, I just did a whole bunch of videos and almost forgot about this one. All right, this is a Scrapbooking with Me design team haul. This is going to be my last month with Scrapbooking with Me, so have a look at what I've got to work with and I'm excited. Look at these dies. Oh my goodness. I have been wanting to do a wedding mini album, and these dies I'm going to show you are going to be in that. That's going to be one of my projects. So I got this one, and look at this one. Oh, so gorgeous. And they are, who are they by? Is it Precious Mariki? I'm not sure. So I got those two, and then look at this one. Oh my gosh. This is going to make the most beautiful, like, pull photo mat. Oh, can't wait. Can't wait. Get you some of this. And then check this out. I got the last, not the last one, but I had the others. I had ordered the others for last month, and this was the one that I didn't have, and it's got this cool, what do you call this? Steampunk die in it that I could have used in my Sherlock Holmes journal, but I didn't have it. So I did get that. So these are my dies, and I am beyond excited because I'll be able to do that wedding project. I also got the Santori Frank Garcia paper pad in the A4. Let's have a look. So I think you get 5 sheets all that are the same. You taste like sunshine. That's unusual. That's kind of unusual. I followed my heart and it led me to you. Deep Sea Baby. Wild Heart. Journey. Okay, so we got 5 of those. And then look at the back of that one. The green and white flowers. And then this is the other side. You can cut out strips of that or use it solid. And then we've got this like brushed looking page. And then on the other side, I love this one. You guys know it. Give me a whole sheet of that. So then we have this marbly looking, which is becoming kind of a Prima staple, I think. I've seen it a lot in their collections. And then this gorgeous page. OMG. And then look at this. Oh, so beautiful. And it's even got writing in the background. So shabby. And then this is the other side. And then this is also gorgeous. I love that. And then, you know, cut aparts there. Okay. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with this. I'm really not. So that will be a surprise. And then finally, last but not least, and I'm going to take it out so I can show you guys everything that you get. This is an Authentique collection. And I wanted to get it last month, but for some reason I chose other things. These aren't really my colors either. These are, you know, I love the teals, but then there's pops of orange and peach in this collection. But I saw a project someone did, it might have been my sister Scrapper, and she did a lot with this collection. So, yeah, I loved the vintageness of it. I must be a mermaid. I have no fear of depth and a great fear of shallow living. Mermaids are real. So I can't wait for Rihanna to see this So you get 2 of those sheets. And this is what's on the back of those sheets. And then you get 2 sheets of this, which is very beachy looking. And then, oh, probably won't use that. I love this side though. And then, and the thing is, guys, so we've got this page and it's got a little bit of coral up there. And then it's got this mermaid lady. And I really do not like this mermaid lady at all. At all. So if you see something in a collection and you don't like it, it's okay. It's very small. You can cut her right out, or you can use this side. Look how awesome this side is with all these little mermaids swimming around. Ooh, I really like this one with the shells and the coral. And then this side, very mermaidy. But I like the coral side, the other side better. Ooh, I really like this one as well. And you can cut those strips out, or you can use it solid. And then the other side is like sand. This one's beautiful too, like a mosaic. Really, really pretty. I love this. And the other side's gorgeous too. But I really like the mosaic. And then you've got this design. And the mermaid design, the scales. And look at this. Very vintage and beautiful. Down by the sea. Now, I like this mermaid. I mean, she could have had a little bit better face. And then this mermaid. And then the 2 people walking. Oh, let's see the other side. Other side is good too. All right, guys. Then you get these stickers. Woo! Oh my gosh. What am I going to do with this? It kind of feels journal-y to me, but it also feels like a mini album too. And then there are these punch outs that also come with that paper collection. So these are all punch outs. In high tide or low tide, I'll be by your side. Salty air and mermaid hair. Those would kind of be good card sentiments too. Anyway, that is my design team haul, and I will link this stuff in the description box down below, along with my coupon code. You guys know, always use my coupon code, and we'll see you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.